Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha on Monday, things that cannot be undone. Msimelelo is forced to make a choice. Lulama helplessly watches Tulani walk away from her. Even attempted suicide is not enough to get Ntando back into Zimkita's life. On Tuesday, busted, Tulani faces his worst nightmare. Zimkita won't go down without a fight. On Wednesday, forever and always, Stokkie and Vuyokazi are beside themselves with the recent revelations about Lulama, but the dark side seems to pull Lulama in more and more. Zimkita reignites an old flame. On Thursday, fool me once. Msimelele's cheating ways come back to haunt him when he decides to be fully loyal to Funeka. Vuyokazi prays for divine intervention to help Lulama turn away from the life she is leading after she turns her back on them. On Friday, prayers and holy water. Msimelelo is caught between a rock and a hard place when his fantasies return to give him another wave of conflict. Vuyokazi's prayers fail to deliver Lulama from evil. Thank you for watching.